Ang ganda ng view ko dito, oh. Ha? Tapos, tingnan nyo yung deck namin. Yan. Ganyan siya, kalalim. Kaya ayaw ng city engineer na papasukan dyan kasi pag may mahulog, naku, buhay. But anyway, ito na yung nabili namin. Yan, tsaka huhugasan lang natin. Lagay natin dito, tapos kain after.
What about the 900 glucose?
Yeah, that one is dangerous. It's like really... When my dad had his episode, I don't know if his diabetes was low or high, but he couldn't wake up, and so we had to... Then my mom couldn't fetch a pedicab soon. That's why we ran him to the hospital in the wheelchair. So at this juncture, pinag-usapan namin ni Cory yung papa ko kasi diabetic yung papa ko. Tapos hindi na magising one day kasi ewan ko kung mataas or low yung blood sugar niya. Kaya tinakbo ng mama ko doon sa hospital. Tapos hindi kami makakuha agad ng ng pedicab. So tinakbo na lang siya sa wheelchair kasi malapit lang yung hospital doon sa aming bahay. Pero matagal na yun, 1986 na yung nawala yung papa ko. Yung diabetes niya, naisgutan lang namin kasi naka-receive ng text yung asawa ko na yung pinsan daw niya ay na-coma dahil sa diabetes. Dinala sa ICU talaga. Grabe, nakakatakot talaga itong diabetes kasi either tataas or bababa, ma-coma ka talaga. Buti na lang yung pinsan ni Cory ay na-neutralize yung blood diabetes niya. Parang na-regulate ba, so kinabukasan transfer na siya sa regular ward. At ating paano namalahin dyan before natin ilagay doon sa kanyang pinanggalingan. Alright, Cory, are you ready to eat? Pakpakainin ko muna ang asawa ko. Yan yung gift niya, additional gift kung tama yan.
Sure.
Okay, open up please.
Something about cats.
Yeah, just...
Oh.
What does it say? Can I see?
Cat down.
It's too small.
Huh?
It's too small.
It's a large though.
Can I see?
Oh.
It says cat dad and then... It doesn't... You look like Barack Obama there.
Oh, rusty though.
Yeah. And actually, I wanted it to be... Remember? Can you open that? They're almost the same.
Even if it's too small, it's still a memento though. So
So you will not use it?
you can try it, see if it. That makes me sad.
I would end up being the one to use it. Don't be sad. We'll see him in heaven. Come on. Bing. Come here. Shh. Oh, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Rusty. Oh my God, it would take us forever to go home. Rusty. Come on. Oh. Where are you going? That's not the way back. This cat. Oh, I miss that guy so much.
No, I need to take a prayer drive. I need to take a prayer drive.
Huh?
I need a prayer drive. But thank you. This will be a memento. But you,
was supposed to come on your birthday. Sorry. You like it though?
Yeah, it just got an emotional is all. Yeah, it just got an emotional is all.
Okay, Rusty. It's time for a duel. We will do this game, and if I win, you promise me you will stop yawning. Listen to me. If I win this game, you promise me that you are going to stop scratching me. You see what you've done to my hand? See, there's a big scratch there. And then the other day you also bit me over here. So we're going to do a duel. Again, if I win, you stop scratching me, and you stop sleeping in the bed with us, and you stop snoring. Is that a deal? Huh? Alright, are you ready? Are you ready? Ready? Give it your best shot, Rusty. Stop licking me. Yeah. Man, you're strong. Yeah. Ow! Ow! Don't bit me! Stupid cat. Come on, let's continue the fight. Oh! Ow! Don't be mean, Rusty. Hey, the world is watching us. Don't be mean, okay? Okay. Ow! Ow! Ow, don't go. Ow. Ow. Rusty. Don't go down. Well. There you go. Look at how ugly you are. You're ugly and you're mean. There. Behave, behave. Okay. Where are you? Bye-bye. Good night.
Got emotional.
Got emotional? Why would you be emotional? You look like Barack Obama there. I think the cross stitch is a lot nearer to how you look.
Well, that's from an actual picture, and then I
Yeah.
think they adjusted something on it. But
Can we go biking, boy?
Not really. I don't feel like anything.
You just have to like prop it up and then off you go.
I'm afraid to. I'm afraid to.
Why would you be afraid?
So if you do this,
It's very heavy. Come on, let's bring it out so I can practice.
it's too heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy. Can you bring it
Plus-
out? Hi guys, kumusta po kayo? This is Marilyn again. This is a continuation of what I vlogged sa previous videos ko yesterday. Kasi napakataas na talaga. Kahit ano na lang yung pinagsasabi ko doon. But anyway guys, I just want to correct something. Yung sa video ko yesterday, parang pinuportray ko yung family ko na napaka-perfect talaga. It is far from that, guys. Hindi po santo yung pamilya ko. No, meron din kaming away, guys. Meron din kaming away. Nung kabataan pa namin, ay nako, palagi kami nagsumbagay ng mga kapatiran ko. It's just that nang nag-mature na tayo, syempre, ma-mature na tayo. So, medyo malesen na yung away. Pero guys, nung kabataan namin, yung kapatid kong babae, naku, nagsabunutan kami ng buhok. Tapos, sabi ng mama ko na, ano gusto niyo, magpatayan kayo? O, sige, bibigyan ko kayo ng itak kada isa. I remember those times. Tapos, mayroon ding isang instance na yung bago kaming salta galing sa town. So, pumunta kami sa city. Tapos, merong isang kapitbahay namin doon na for some reason, galit siya sa amin. I don't know kung anong problema niya. Kung anong problema niya sa amin. So, every time na lalabas kami sa bahay, gumaganon siya sa amin, Yung gumaganon ba? Gumaganon siya. Like, sabi ko sa kapatid ko, ano bang problema ng babaeng ito? And then, she has been like doing that for several weeks siguro. I couldn't remember anymore. But one day, naglalakad kami ng kapatid ko labas sa bahay, papunta sa tindahan. Tapos, nandoon yung kapitbahay namin. Mga from a distance. Pero makita namin siya, tapos ginano niya kami. So, sabi ko, ano ba talagang problema ng babaeng ito? So, mga teenager pa kami noon, mga first year high school. Alam niyo naman, pag high school, first year high school, nako, kumbati talaga. But anyway, hindi ko na talaga napigilan yung sarili ko. Sabi ko sa kapatid ko, Nat, come on, nandyan lang yan, nagtatago lang dyan sa gilid-gilid, puntahan natin. Sabi ng kapatid ko, wag nang Marilyn, wag, baka mapaaway tayo, blah blah blah. Like, enough of this nonsense. Bakit tayo niya ginaganon? Wala naman tayong ginawa sa kanya. Parang naiinis na talaga ako ba? Ganito ako, guys, before. Like, wag niyo akong unahan. Palagi kong sinasabi sa asawa ko na, I don't start a war, but I don't run away from one. Yung ganun ba, like, hindi po ako nangangaway, pero like, wag na tayong magtapak ng iba, kasi yung iba, they bite back, okay? But anyway, so sabi ko sa kapatid ko, sige, puntahan natin, sabi niya, wag na ng Marilyn, baka aawayin tayo, aawayin tayo. So yun, pinuntahan ko siya, guys. Nagtatago lang pala siya doon sa gilid-gilid. So, sinabi ko talaga sa kanya, excuse me, ba't palagi mo kaming, why do you always make a face on us? Ano bang nagawa namin sa iyo? Hindi ka namin kilala. Bakit ano bang atraso namin sa iyo? Kasi parang na-jealous sila, guys, na bago kaming salta or whatever. I don't know. I really don't know what was her problem. But anyway, ba't ka palaging ganyan? Like, hindi naman kita inaawan. Tapos, parang sabi niya, sige na, friends na lang. Yun yung response niya. Sige na, hindi na ako mangaway. So, friends na lang tayo. Sabi ko, yun pala eh. Like, hindi naman kami nangangaway. Kung gusto mo maging friends, friends tayo. So, yun, like, yun lang pala eh. Sabi niya, friends na lang tayo, blah, blah, blah. Hindi naman kami nangaway. Sabi ko, sure, friends na tayo. Huwag ka lang don't make faces on us because we did not do anything to you. So, yun, after that, yun, friends na kami. But what I'm saying here is, hindi po kami perfect. Oh my gosh. Kaya, it's only by God's grace talaga na minsan inaayos ng Panginoon yung ating mga kamalian, yung ating mga masamang ugali. Kasi guys, oh my gosh, before, hindi talaga ako sumusuko sa away. It's so funny. But yeah, meron din kami mga away-away, mga magkakapatid. But never kaming nag-away dahil sa nag-aagawan ng yaman. By God's grace, yung mga kapatid ko, hindi sila greedy, guys. So, walang problema. But it just so happened na around that time, ako yung parang nagmamanage sa lahat. Sa mga problema ng bahay, sa problema ng mama ko, sa problema kung saan tayo kukuha ng pera para mapaano yung mama natin, mapa-hospital yung mama natin. So, yun, parang ako yung nag-dictate ba? Ako yung runner sa family namin. Kaya, agree lang sila. Sabi ko nga sa asawa ko, my word becomes the law in the family. So, yung gano'n. But anyway, pag guys, may mga kayo, like, if you guys have like, mga kayamanan or kayamanan. Yeah, kung may inheritance kayo na galing sa family nyo, it's not worth it Bigay mo na lang lahat, nyo na lang lahat. So, it's not worth na pag-aawayan. But anyway, yun. So, wag na tayong mag-ano ha, kasi sabi nila, intellectual people talk about current events. People who talk about people are ignorant people. O di ba, hindi tayo ignorante, kaya pag-uusapan natin yung mga buhay-buhay na buhay-buhay nila. Wag na guys, let's give them a break. I'm sure that they're also having yung video ko kahapon. Wag na tayo makisali kasi kawawa naman yung mga tao na pinag-usapan natin, di ba? Alright, ito yung pagkain natin kahapon. Tapos, sabi ko kay Cory, hindi na tayo mag-prepare ng another pagkain. Tapos, bumaba daw. Tapos, nagtanong daw, sabi niya, saan yung bahay ng ganitong address? Kasi may delivery ako. Tapos, sinabi ng asawa ko na doon sa kabila. Tapos, sabi niya, oh, nice house. It's like, oh, thank you, sabi ng asawa ko. Tapos, sabi niya na, ikaw lang mag-isa dito? Are you married? Anyway, thank you for watching. Mwah.